What's up, my Diet Badass fam? It's your boy Percy Robinson coming at you with another smash hit video. Today we are going to do a turmeric tea. With this turmeric tea, we're going to add ginger, we're going to add pepper, we're going to add lemon. All of those elements have anti-inflammatory agents in it. Now the pepper works as a distributing agent, so it helps get the turmeric into your body. The oregano actually helps break up the phlegm that's in your chest. So I want you guys to stay tuned.
Kimba made another one.
Diet Badass fam, it's your boy back at it again. Thank you guys for watching. One quick note that I would like to let you guys know: a lot of places don't sell turmeric as the root, so you don't necessarily have to have this root to make the tea. You can go to any store and get the actual turmeric grounded powder, and it'll do just the same. So it's time to test my product again.
I can taste it on my tongue.
It got a lot of spice to it. It's not too spicy, but you can taste the turmeric, you can taste the ginger, you can taste a little bit of the pepper and the oregano. The oregano is not too strong. I didn't use too much oregano. So again, I want you guys to tune in, tell a friend, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next week with another episode. Peace.
Kimba made another one.